So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys a powerful traffic site that you can use in order for you to build organic traffic to your CPA offer and be able to generate income with any CPA network. Okay. Now, if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and reveal this particular website. Okay. But before then, let me show you my dashboard so you can be able to see how much I have generated, okay, from this particular CPA network. As you can see right over here, my today's revenue is already $321.04. Now, if I come right over here and I reload the page, basically you can see that the amount is there. Okay, if I go up here and I click refresh button, you can also see that the amount is also there. So what we're going to be doing right now is how do we actually promote CPA offer with CPA network. It does not matter which of the CPA network you are using. So whatever method I am going to be showing you right here in this video is applicable to every other CPA network. Okay. So if you come over to CPAGrip and you log in into your dashboard, then you're going to come straight to your dashboard. Right here, you're going to see we have monetization tools, we have offer tools, we have postback tools, we have referral program, we have payment center, and so on. So basically, you need to understand all these tools so you can be able to know what you are doing in the interface. Okay. But first of all, we're going to be looking at how do we promote CPA offer by grabbing a specific offer from any CPA network. Like in the case of CPAGrip, you need to come to offer tools, or you create a digital item, monetizing it. That is what we call content locker. Or you can just come down right over here and then you see list of offers from top performing offers. And once you grab these offers, you place them on a landing page. Okay. Now I'm going to also walk you through how you can be able to place them on a landing page so that you can have a bridge page that is protecting your CPA links from any social media network, like any traffic site. Okay. So we're going to be using Google site. Now, Google site is one of the amazing one I have found. And of course, you can create a simple landing page in less than a few seconds. Even with your mobile phone, you can create a simple landing page. So all you need to do is to create an interface and then enter a caption. And each of the captions that you're going to be creating will house or host or hyperlink a particular offer URL. Okay. So all you need to do is to bring those offer URL, place them right over here, and you are good to go. You don't need to do anything else. Now, the only thing you're going to do, if you check my previous video, is how do you create your post? Okay, how do you captivate those posts in order for audience to actually be triggered so they can be able to take action for you? Because it is only when the audience take action, the offer will convert. You can't convert offer just by viewers or audience just seeing it or clicking the link. No, they need to take action. And what are those actions that the audience need to take? It just some actions may require the audience to put in their phone number, or put in their email address, and so many other personal informations. But you need to understand that you cannot trigger this attention from the audience to make them actually take those kind of action, because they need to enter information without you making sure that you have given them enough value that is even more than what you are going to get from the post. So you're from you, and they have no choice than to drop their personal information. In my previous video, I revealed exactly how you can be able to create and craft this kind of post. And I've also dropped a prompt that you can basically use that will help you to create this kind of post that you're going to be sharing on social media, right? So in my other videos, I also shared about 50 CPA word script, which if you want this script, just ask me in the comment section and I'm going to go ahead and drop it for you. Okay. If you want to join my one-on-one mentorship training course on CPA marketing, where I will hold you by hands and walk you through the entire process so that I can be able to generate income in your first month, all you need to do is to go ahead and click the link below this video, or you can send me a WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp number will also be in the video description. Without wasting much of your time, guys, let's continue this video. All right, so now that you have created your landing page, the next thing is now the traffic boosting. Okay, the traffic boosting is what you need in order for you to be able to push in enough traffic. And boosting your traffic is by creating different targeted posts and targeting your audience from different locations like United States, United Kingdom, and so on. So when you are able to target this audience and you're able to write an attractive and engaging post that will help you to boost your clicks and your lead on your CPA network, then basically you are already on the right path. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this particular specific traffic website. Maybe you have never seen this before, but if you gain value from this video, it's very important for you to share your happiness in the comment section. Just write, I am happy with this video and I gain value from this video and you appreciate. I would like your comment, okay? All right, guys. So now that you have created your landing page, you have hosted your offer links and everything is ready, now you are going to come to this website. This website is called write.ax. Okay, write.ax. You are going to just come here and type. You don't need to log in. Just type in words, type in the script, type in the prompt, type in exactly what you want your audience to see. And once they see it, they have no choice than to click and they have no choice than to provide information. So you're going to come over here and click on start writing. And once you click on start writing, then it's going to pull out the editing part. Now, in the editing part, this is where you need to go ahead and create exactly what you need. So make sure that you write something great. I'm not writing anything. I'm just giving you an example. But if I am ready for task, I'm going to make sure that I create something valuable right over here. Now, remember that in our previous video, we talked about the sections. We have about 3 sections that you need to follow. So out of the 3 sections, the last section talk about action, okay? Call to action, where you need to tell them what to do, the action they need to take, and the link they need to click. So you're going to come over here and paste your link after the whole story has ended. It could be 50 words, could be 100 words, could be 10 words, as long as you are able to send the information earlier before you go ahead and put in the link. Then after that, you need to go ahead and sit down and watch your traffic increase. Okay, you are going to sit down and watch how your traffic is going to be boosting and how your traffic is going to be increasing. But basically, there is some things that you need to understand. If you are posting like this every single day, you can imagine how much effort you are going to be taking to do all of this. That is why I have decided to design what I call custom direct traffic system. Okay, I designed this particular system just to help you facilitate and boost your process so that I can be able to earn faster from the CPA network. Okay, if you are going to go ahead and develop interest for you to be able to assist yourself and increase your earning with your CPA network, all you need to do is to join my one-on-one mentorship training course so you can be able to lay your hands and grab this particular program. Okay, once you grab it, I'm going to be sitting down with you one-on-one and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the entire system setup so you can be able to start implementing very quickly. You can check out the link in the video description and also connect with me through WhatsApp, and I'm going to be more than happy to connect with you and respond to you or all your questions in less than a few seconds. This is Macro Hustle TV. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.